Picture a cosmic spectacle beyond our wildest imaginations. The collision of two colossal planets, a celestial ballet in the grand theater of the universe. The climax arrives with a cosmic crescendo as their surfaces collide, unleashing titanic energies that transform the planets into molten cauldrons of celestial creation. The aftermath paints a celestial masterpiece. Shockwaves ripple through the cosmic fabric, propagating the narrative of this epic collision. Debris scatters into the cosmic void, birthing new celestial wonders and sculpting the cosmic landscape. This awe-inspiring dance of destruction and rebirth reveals the raw power and dynamism inherent in the vast expanse of the universe. The collision of two planets, though tumultuous, becomes a testament to the ever-evolving nature of the cosmos.